Hello, hi, welcome. I know how hard you wish for your husband to be more romantic, more caring, more loving, more appreciative of what you do, right? We always expect this from our husbands that whatever we do in our life, in married life or family life or work life, we always want somebody is to be there constantly appreciating us, validating us, approving us, our work and what efforts we do, right? So this validation, approval, appreciation, actually we want this appreciation, approval and the love, care, respect from ourselves. That is the self-love, respect and self-esteem, self-confidence you are lacking, that you are projecting it outside. So but our emotions, what we are feeling, that is, or what we feel as emotions, they get projected outside. So that's why you feel lack in your life, because you are feeling lack in inside. Okay, it is not outside. So this is the journey which is called as go inside or go within. Search everything within. There is abundance of everything within you. That is the soul sitting inside you is infinite, abundant, limitless, and it has the power to transform anything, right? But to unlock that potential, to unleash that power within you, to awaken the divine within you, you need to sit for a while, retrospect, analyze, pause, respond according to the wisdom you have gained through your life experience. So that pause is very essential in your life, and to get that pause, and that too also with a community or with a group, here I am bringing the second batch of Affirm, Believe, Achieve. As its name suggests, we are learning to affirm, then we are learning to believe in that affirmation, those affirmations too, and then it's very easy to achieve when you do these two steps. Okay, everything, even if you feel like you are failing, even if you feel like it is false, even if you are feeling like this is not working for me, you just need to be in this group, and all your negative thoughts, all your doubts, fear, insecurities, anxiety about this positive belief or positive thinking will vanish. I'm very sure, and I assure you, I guarantee you about that. Okay, and what is the best thing is that it is free for you. I'm giving this as a gift of New Year to you, because there is selfishness within that, because I want everybody whom I meet to be like me, lovely, joyful, and where I am connecting with that person. So that's the connection I always wish, and by giving you, I'm assuring that you are going to attend it, and through your presence, I'm going to feel connected with you. So this is the tinge of selfishness I have for giving you this for free. Okay, I'm very, very sure that you are going to attend it, you are going to enroll for it. Go into the click on the link and go into the group, where I'm going to send you every day morning the link for attending the workshop. Okay, it's going to be in the morning 5 a.m. to 5:45 a.m. Okay, so I'm just expecting 45 minutes from you every day. That means Monday to Friday, and you are going to get the value is like in abundance, and the group healing, the collective consciousness you are going to experience is like top of the world. Okay, you yourself going to give me testimonials, these kind of testimonials, video testimonials after the workshop. I'm very sure about that. Okay, you will get the amazing response, amazing experiences. People now in my affirmation community is feeling so many changes in their lives, that they are transforming others too. So why are you waiting? Just click on the link given in the description box below. There are a paid version for the recordings. If you want recording, then there will be the paid version, and for just attending this live, it will be free. And stay tuned, I'm bringing many more things. Like one thing more planned is in the January there going to be gratitude workshop in the same timings. Okay, so stay tuned, be in the community, and you are going to get updated for my new things, upcoming things like launch. I'm launching my app. So these all things you are going to get updated in the community itself. So be there and do not miss on any update. Okay, so click on the links in the description box below, and if you like this video, like, share, subscribe, comment, and let me know how you are feeling and how are you excited about this journey. Okay, see you, bye bye, love you.